Welcome everybody to the channel, coming to you with some Zebec. Coming to cover the charts on Zebec. Wanted to come with you. Zebec is up today 14%. Surprised me. Made a video yesterday and I just could not understand why Bitcoin run up and Zebec was just sitting there, not really moving at all. Looking a little weak, but things changed since yesterday, and Zebec made a push up. And I wanted to come and cover the chart here with you. You know, it's sitting at a price of 0.002681, and like I say, it run up 14% today. And Zebec just made a massive move today since yesterday, and right now everyone is getting excited. I'm excited, and I know you excited. But want to bring, here's the problem. This could be either be part of a huge breakout or a perfect trap before the drop. So we need Zebec to hold this range. It's got out of the top of it. It wasn't a downward trend, but it pushed above, above that trend. So if you hold Zebec, tune in. We're fixing to get right into it. And like I say, we had a explosive move. And let's start with what just happened. For weeks, Zebec's been it's doing absolutely nothing. Just been sideways movement. We've had low volatility, boring price action. Could you not agree with me? And then out of nowhere, boom, massive breakout candle. We had on the 4-hour chart, we had 1, 2, 3, 4. Had a huge volume spike. And this is what, when you see this happen, this is what we call accumulation expansion. You got smart money loads up quietly, then price explodes when liquidity comes in. And I want to bring to you why this is dangerous. Don't be buying in while we up here, because it could, I want to bring this to your attention. And this is where most traders mess up. They see big green candles and they instantly think it's going higher. But, but here's the truth. I want to bring that to you. Zebec's probably my largest bag, being honest with you, and I'm just bringing you the truth. Price just runs straight into major resistance. Can you not agree? We run all the way up here. Let me take this on. We run all the way up to 0.02996, and that's what we got. And we're talking here previous rejection zones, Fibonacci extension levels, psychological resistance, and what happened? Immediate rejection when we got up there. And that tells you one thing: sellers are active here. And we're gonna bring key levels, next key levels that matter. If you want to trade this correctly, you need to watch these levels. And this is the bullish scenario. If we can hold above the 0.0023, start forming higher lows, then but for where we at, we're good, but we need to stay above the 0.0023. Right here at the 2.618 is where we need. If we do pull back, hold this area right here and don't come all the way back down. And that's what we want to bring to your attention. And start, performing higher lows. This becomes a real breakout. The next target, getting back up to 0.028 to 0.030. And this, I want to bring you the trap set up, the bearish scenario. If we lose to the price loses, if we drop below the 0022, then this entire move was a liquidity grab. Price likely returns to 0020 and possibly 0018. So 0018 is all the way down here. Well, we come all the way back down here, and we don't want to see this. We want this breakout to hold. And this is if you're buying in all the way up here, not saying it still ain't a good price. This is a good price to get in Zebec right now, but I'm just saying, be careful. We could come all the way back down. We got some imbalances, I know, down here that we probably gonna pull back and fill. But I want to explain something to you what's really happening here. This move isn't random, you know. This is liquidity being created, tension being pulled in, retail starting to FOMO. But smart money, they're watching one thing: can price hold above the breakout levels? Is what we're wanting to see. Because if it can't, the same people buying the top become exit liquidity. And that's what I want to bring to your attention. Be very careful. Be very, very careful on Zebec right now. And that's what I want to bring to your attention. Let me see. We was, just ranging 002254 down to 001870. We want to stay above this area. We want to come back. If we pull back, when we pull back, which will be healthy for Zebec, we want to pull back somewhere to the middle of this. We could pull back to this area right here, the 002237. Find this resistance area as support. Come all the way back now. Find this area of resistance support before moving much higher than where we was right here. Come back to this, work our way down. I'm just drawing something. Let's see. Come back down and hit this area right here, and then work our way back up to higher highs is what I'm trying to tell you. Look for that pullback, the 002240, somewhere around that range. That pullback's going to be right in here somewhere at the 002250 to 00230. So I wanted to bring that to your attention that if we can pull back that area and hold this area of support and then move back up, we'll be doing real good on Zebec. But I wanted to bring that to your attention. If you like the content, also subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, smash that notification bell. So when we get live, we go live, or we make a video, you'll get notified. But share, comment, hit the like button. It don't cost you nothing to hit that like button or the subscribe button. And we'll keep bringing you Zebec. But like I said, real good move on the day. But it's always healthy to do it. People don't like it, but it's always healthy to pull back and to our level of resistance and test it as a level of support before moving much higher. And if we can pull back a little bit, it's good for Zebec, and then move and then keep that same momentum and go back up. So once it pulls back to that price I just told you, I'm gonna be accumulating more, and then we'll go back on up. So Looking real good on Zebec, and we'll see you on the next one. God bless you.